file. You need to understand that things. Okay, I am just copy these things and paste it in C drive. Okay, these things, just unzip it. So you need to copy this file, not the previous that file. So I am just changing the name first so that I can delete this file. I need to copy these things because there is two folders created, that's why. Okay. Now delete the previous one. Okay. Now this is your file. Okay. I'm just double click it and open it. Okay. Where you are putting so many items? Tell me.
Sir, I have tried to complete all the maps, sir.
That is good, but listen on thing. If you give this time, that's okay. Okay, no problem, no problem. If you finish it, that is your personal issue. You can actually show it to some of the organization. Yes, you can. You are a civil.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I'm a
okay.
civil
So
engineering
you can.
student, sir.
Yes. That's why you can
Besides that,
show this type
besides
of.
that, sir, that is my hometown's map, sir.
Okay. Okay, just a minute. I'm just checking some of the item. But why 33 line is here? Tell me.
Sir, you have told us, sir, to do the assignment, sir, with 6 data feature
No.
classes.
Listen. Okay. Listen. Okay. If you give that type of thing, just a minute. Assalamu alaikum. So now, okay, you do not need it. The
Okay, sir.
civil and agriculture are the 4 layer. Okay, I'm just deleting this thing.
Remove.
Okay, these things, one district, high school, hospital. You have only this type of. You do not have any police station, Upazila Health Complex, Family Welfare Center. You do not
Sir,
have.
I didn't find any kind of sign of that, sir.
Okay,
Otherwise,
if not, okay, it's okay. If not, no problem. If not, no problem. Please listen. Today I am working on some of our student file. so that you can understand how to edit and how to recorrect this type of thing. Okay. We do not need it. Remove this thing. Road. Okay. Location. That is hospital and everything. So now, please, everyone, open your project.
Give us some time,
Open
sir.
your project. Okay, please, everyone, open your project. It will help you. Only very few students. How many students from the section E are joining here?
So I'm
Sir,
from
me,
one
sir.
of the
Philippine
section.
Hassan, sir.
Okay, some of the
Sir,
students, but oh, no. Just
Yes,
very
sir.
few. But listen on thing. This time your class attendance is very, very important. Please inform your other friend. Maybe some misguide, they are misguide from others, because two class for the, just G class section is shifted to 11:45. Okay. So now today we will learn. Okay. Today we will learn so many things. That is the lizard. We already finished some of the things. But how to create the lizard? Today we will learn how to create the lizard. Today we will learn.
Before that, sir, may
Okay.
I ask you something, sir?
Yes, tell me.
Sorry, we have know how to bring our maps, sir, from any site, sir. We have learned how to draw lines, sir. We have learned how to make attributes, sir. That means you can do many layers under one layer only. So, sir, what will be our final exam, sir? You have told us to
This
a real life project, sir. What
Yes,
would be?
real life. Listen on thing. This is the map. This is the map. Most of the time you need to work on paper map. Most of the time you need to work on paper map. How
map.
to paper map to digitize map. How to create it. One thing. Another thing, after finishing your creation of the map, okay, so
Yes, sir.
you need to extend some of the things. Suppose as for example, how many you have a that is just a minute. You are living where? Dinajpur.
In
So you have a
sir.
smartphone? Yes?
Yes, sir. I have a smartphone, sir.
Okay. So you have a smartphone. So your smartphone now, okay, fine. Now, please, can you give me the smartphone where you are living in the position?
The coordinates, sir, latitude, longitude.
Yes, exactly. And how to input there today we will also learn, if the time permits. Please tell me please everyone listen. Yes, east and north value.
Okay, sir. Latitude is 25.64434 and
25
longitude 25.64434.
6434 and north?
Yes. And longitude is 88.63343.
343. Okay. So how to put that type of thing? Okay. Today we will learn first. Okay. So how to give this point as for example? How to give this point? Okay, please, everyone. My request to everyone: if you have a smartphone, please check your exact positioning where you are now. If you have that type of things, okay, your smartphone just gave you the all are degree value. It is degree value.
Yes, sir.
20. Okay, degree value. So please, for this, what you need to do? Listen, everyone, just create a text document and give it X, Y. Just it's X, Y. Listen, you do not need it fast. I am doing this thing, then you will. X, Y. X tab Y. Okay. Or you can use it east and north value as for example. Then your value is 88.63343 and north value is 25.6434. Okay, just save it.
Sir, 64334, sir.
334.
Yes, sir.
If the value is correct, then it will inside your area properly. Otherwise, no. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then just a minute.
Add exploit data.
We need to connect.
Connect the text.
So you are which area you are living?
In Ramnagar, sir.
Look, Ramnagar Bazar. Your area is
Kalitola. Yes, sir. Kalitola, sir. Yes, Kalitola Agri Bazar, sir. Exact that's
yes.
all, sir.
You are look at these things, everyone. Look at these things. Your position is now in the map.
Wow, sir.
Okay. So what about the others? Are you listening my voice? Yes or no? Look at
sir.
this
Yes,
thing.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Repeat it again, sir.
Listen. This is you need to do it. Not only me, but also you. Because you are doing the project by yourself. This is the one kind of checking. Understand? I think you need to collect that type of things. So look at these things. How to make it. My request to everyone. How to give this type of value. I am just giving another as for example so that you can.
পিন দিয়ে দেন স্যার, পিনটা দিলে স্যার সহজ বোঝা যায় স্যার।
Okay. No
Push,
problem.
push.
Okay, but I think I need to give it small icon. Otherwise, it look like odd. Okay, small icon. So this is the point. If you look at this point, so exactly point because listen, very recently some of the organization their project and everything they are using the GIS map because it is difficult for everyone to go to the exact position. Then suppose your project area is here as for example your project area. So you can increase this project area all the item. How to do this type of things? Already you just look at these things, locational things, suppose primary school, so many things. Then owner of the company, then starting of the project, who are the engineer, how many labor are working there, the flood cost, everything. You can add a table and input the data. So how to make these things? I will repeat it again. So this is the exact Kalitala areas AKM Atikur Rahman he is living.
Yes, sir.
And yes, and other person also. So why you need GIS as for example? Now I am just giving one thing, then it is easy for you. Suppose as for example, what the as for example, this is the area. Okay, your areas there is a is for high school beside your areas.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as for example, listen one thing. As for example, you need to draw extend a line from your house to this area. Example. So if you have a smart phone or a GPS receiver, okay, GPS receiver, then you can take the after suppose 10 meter after you will take the every GPS point and put it here. Then you can draw the exact GPS wise road. Okay. As for example, I give you one example, then you can understand. From the Mirpur to Motizhil, the area, we know that it's a 16-kilometer area. Okay. And when the GPS wise, when we just collect the data, that is 11 kilometer. Okay. So you can verify some of the area. Any type, suppose civil, agriculture or electrical. Suppose as for example electrical. Suppose this is your project area as for example. Atikur Rahman house is your project area. How many span is needed for extend it? How many actually pole you need for that areas? So for 90 meter you will take a 1 point and put it here. Another 90 minutes you can take a point and put it. I just open a REB file, then it is easy for you. For the everyone. Okay. I'm just opening on REB file. Then you can understand something. What is the GIS? GIS. Okay. 33 kb source line. Look at these things. 33 kb source line. I am just clicking here and it will directly, okay, suppose okay. So I am just opening some of the file, okay, Dhaka PBS on as for example. Click here. What happened? It's want something. Just a minute. I'm going to the again. This map is source line. All are the source line. Web-based map. Grid substation existing. Look at this, is source line. Okay. But post me the Google Drive, why I don't know. I need to check something. Maybe they are locking something. Okay. No problem.
Maybe
Please listen.
the account
You
is
can
logged
make the
Sir, you need to select a account, sir.
then enter there. Then it will open.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If Google account is logged in, that's
Okay. No problem. So listen. This type of point. Every areas you can. Every areas you can make this line. So the application of GIS. Everywhere you can. Suppose you have a project. From the project, electrical line, somebody thinks, but where is the project? Where is my actually location? You can. Extent of the road, you can. Electrical, you can. As for example, some of the agriculture, you have a project on some areas, and you can identify these areas easily. And as for example, you have 100 acres of project agriculture, and it is not possible for you to remember how many fertilizer you are just putting there. But for the project areas, you can easily, every, suppose 3 months, you need to suppose some fertilizer or some of the chemical. You can put it and you can store it. So please, how to give this GPS point? My request to everyone, if you have a smartphone, my request to everyone, please how to make this point. Suppose how to make this point, I will give you a instruction. Please, if you have a Google, that is a smartphone, please make a file that is XY. It's a text document. Make it. Give the name XY. Give the east and north, you can. Suppose as for example, previously it was XY. I just remove it. And now give it here as for example east and north. As for example, east and north. East. Okay, I'm just giving east and north. East and north as for example, east and north. Then please, you need to give the east value, east tab, make a tab. Always please remember it. Don't give any other tab and give the north. Then enter. Okay. After that, you need to put the east value 88.63343. Okay. Then give a tab. Your point is just shifted to. Don't worry about it. Okay, your tab, it will count 25.64334. So please, if you have a smartphone, please, like that, please make this file. How many you have a smartphone? If you have a smartphone, please make it. And you can shift it your point. Because GIS is total. Okay, GIS, please listen. This GIS software is practical oriented. Someone just enter with the Galaxy phone, someone enter with the mobile phone. You can practice it. And in the practical life, you will face in problem. Okay? So that's why my request to you, please, everyone, if you have a mobile phone, practice it with me. Mr. Atikur Rahman, you can also do it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Give us 2 minutes, sir, then, sir.
Not only 2 minutes. I will give everybody 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
5 minutes for making it. Everyone. If you have a mobile phone, you can. Because one of the point, you need to represent yourself. You need to represent it. Because your home Upojila, if you done by yourself, only you can give that type of it's not possible for you. And you need to show it in the map, in the final term. So make it 5 minutes. I will give you 5 minutes, no problem. Command file may be like that. Please don't txt, don't change it. My request to you. How to stop it? I am just showing here. Hide the extension so that you can. So your eastern node value here. Now we are going to the file. We have 6 minutes for the again connection. That's why file. Then what you will do? Listen, we are just uncheck the all the things. Only the okay. Now file everyone who already done it. Then add XY data. Clicked it. File, add data XY. Okay. Then you need to browse your file. I repeat it again. File, add data, add XY data. Then next is you need to browse your file from your okay. So please listen. I am just click the east and north. X is east and Y is north. Or you can give it X and Y. Okay? X and Y. Then apply. Then it will show you something. Don't worry about and just click it OK. Then look at the point. If you increase it, you can see it. This is the point. And this point is exactly positioning where you are now. If that's why your tick should be correct. If the tick correct, then if you collect any GPS point, then you can easily, suppose as for example, Atikur Rahman, you are doing these things, as for example, this tick, the same type of tick, you can also, without giving this, okay, make the folder tick, you can also collect this tick with known some areas, with this area. You can also do this type of thing. It's not a tough thing. So please finish it, Atikur Rahman. Finished it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. You may be finished. So,
Yes, sir.
okay. So your point is here.
Problem is I couldn't find my tick, sir.
You couldn't find your tick because you are giving
That means
counting.
you have done the same thing in my map, sir. It has easily come, sir, but I didn't see my your points of where I'm staying,
Wait,
sir.
don't worry, listen. My dear student, listen. Your east and north, these two value, you are putting at this is east, E, then you will give the tab, then N. Then put this value and again you need to put the tab. Remember it?
Yes, sir.
how to make it, please. I am repeating it again. This E, please listen. When you put the E, then don't give it any space. Then you will just press tab for the N. Okay? Then the next thing, when you will write this thing, finished it, then directly another tab. Okay? So my request to everyone, please connect it again. Connect again. But then here is the Dinesh put some point. Where is your this type of things? You are giving the Upojala wrong color. Why?
Sir, because
Look
all
at the
colors
thing.
seems to me same, sir. That's why I've changed the color, sir. While I was drawing.
No. You never. No. If the color is same, you need to, because this is not our map. This is the government map, and they are doing these things as like as that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we cannot change the color. Okay, I am just showing these things. Some of the person are facing. Suppose as Amit Joy is facing problem. So Amit, look at these things. Okay, just
Okay, sir.
east, then tab, then write it north. N. You will put the then enter. Then you will make it enter. Then you will just put your value, your computer value. Suppose as for example, if 88, if I give the 99, as for example, okay, I change the 88 to another value. So what happened? We will now check it, okay? Another value. I'm just giving another value. Suppose this document and east, north, I just give it 1 and just put it here. Look at these things. East and north. And put this value and just 88 to I'm just 91. I put the 91. Then look at this thing. The total things it will change. Okay, save it. And go to the map again. File. Add data. Add XY value.
Yes, sir. It was in the right side.
Okay, so it's totally different from your. We just change it, make the point. Look at this point. Now your point is not the exact area. It is out of your map.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
now-
And also, sir, if we give the X value in the Y value in the that time also taken.
That totally changed. So, okay. So now my request to everyone, please, everyone, you need to do one thing, because your project time, you need to give your, where is your living place, you need to show this point. Otherwise, please, you need to do this, because one of the criteria for your second assignment, one of the criteria, that is your exact positioning. You need to give it. Okay. So I think it is clear for everyone. So everyone,
sir.
you will, yes.
Sir, what type of symbol we will keep, sir? Circle or rectangle, anyone?
I don't understand what you are saying.
Sir, symbol. Our location
Oh,
symbol.
no. This is the symbol. You can use any type of symbol from here.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay, don't worry about it. But you need to show it in your map where you are living actually. Because your hometown, as for example, you are doing this map and where you are living, we can easily identify you. Next class, we will learn the next thing, how to prepare. Because please, if the time permit, I will show you something here. Listen one thing. Just a minute. There is so many tools, but we will work on some of the tools. Okay, some of the tools we will work on it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next class, I will show another thing from suppose this map. How to make this map, outer boundary map. How to copy it, how to make the polygon, how to line to polygon. So many conversion. Next class we will learn. Conversion we will learn. So that's why my request to everyone. Some of the students from the E section, some of the students from the F section, please inform them. Don't miss the class. Because in practical, it will help directly. Agriculture, electrical, or civil. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
please,
sir.
please, my request to everyone, I am just calling your name one by one, response. First is E, then other section. Alvinidal, and some of the tools. That's all. Inform others. Okay? So thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam, sir.